message is for test purposes only. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued this is a test message. Tornado warning for Newton County in northwestern Indiana, Benton County in northwestern Indiana, Porter County in northwestern Indiana, Lake County in northwestern Indiana, Jasper County in northwestern Indiana. This is a test message. Until 9:30 a.m. or 10:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
This message is for
This is a test message. No severe weather is occurring. If this was an actual tornado warning, you would be given information about the location and movement of the storm. This is a test message. This test tornado warning is being issued as part of Indiana's severe weather preparedness week. This is a communications exercise to ensure tornado warnings can be properly disseminated and received into test warning systems. At this time, please review your tornado shelter procedures at home, at your place of business, or at your school.
If this was an actual tornado warning, you would